Hi guys, welcome to the Disaster channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful market strategy. This strategy I can bear it with you that if you have a $5 account upward, you can effectively grow your small account with this type of strategy. This strategy I've already tell this strategy multiple times, and I even tell this strategy on my own personal account. You can see this is my personal account. This is $1,000 plus $1,900 plus account, and I took a trade with this strategy, and I figured that this strategy is most accuracy small account strategy you can use to grow your small account. So let me show you guys the trade that I took with this strategy. You can see this is the trade that I took with this strategy. I tried to buy this strategy and figure out how it work. So you can see you can see something right here. You can see with this strategy alone, I've already made $20 plus profit with this strategy alone, which you can see right here. You can see the trade that I took, which you can see the lowest lot size. The lowest lot size 1,000. This is the lowest size is 0.20. You can see I make $20 plus profit with this simple strategy. With this strategy that you can use to grow small account. So I'll show you a video. I will show you a video that I'll show you how to the trade and how effectively I catch the spike with this strategy. So let me quickly show you guys the video. Let me show you guys the spike. Let me show you guys the spike. Now you can see this is where I took the trade. I took the trade from here, from I think right here on my 1 minute time frame. I took the trade on 1 minute time frame. So this is where I took the trade. I took the trade around here. I took the trade around something around here, and I hold the trade to reach this horizontal line. To reach this horizontal line. That's when I take my profits and I run into a $20 plus profit with this strategy. This is a 1 minute time frame strategy, and it's a scalping strategy you can use to grow your small account. This strategy is very effective, and I'm going to show you guys step by step. Walk you guys through all the step by step you can use to use the strategy to trade. So $5, $10, $20, $100 profit, your small account with this type strategy. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor. If you are new, don't forget to do me a favor by what? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your post notification. Whenever I put a strategy, you guys will be aware. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive into the strategy. This strategy we are going to be using the indicator in our window one and the indicator in our main chart. So the indicator in our main chart is going to contain two indicators, which I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm going to walk you guys through everything. So let's start from scratch. Let me first list everything up, then we start from scratch. So you can see now that I have a clear chart now. You can see I have a clear chart now. I have a clear chart. So the first thing we are going to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. Go to this icon you are seeing at the top. Then when you reach here, then click on the F plus. When you click on the F plus, then you are going to be adding your Ichimoku, which you are seeing right here. You are going to be adding your Ichimoku. So add your Ichimoku up. The parameters for this Ichimoku is right here. So this how they set up for the Ichimoku. So set everything up like this. We only need this. We only need this one. So we only need this one. You don't need the remaining one. So just set the remaining one as your background color. I'm using my background, so that's why I choose the remaining one as white background. So once you set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have your Ichimoku in your chart, So now the second indicator we are going to be adding is the fractals. We're going to be adding the second indicator in our chart. So the second indicator is fractals. So now I'm going to be using let me use the green. So I'm going to be using the green one. So when you set your factor, just set it at default. Don't need anything, just set it at default. Then change your color of your choice. Then you are good to go. You can see now that I have fractals in my chart. So now the third indicator we are going to be adding, which is going to be in the indicator window one now, because we have set everything, all the indicator we need in our main chart. So we are going to set in the indicator we need in the indicator window one. So now go to this F plus you are seeing right here. Go to this F plus, then we are going to first adding our stochastic oscillator. We are going to force our stochastic oscillator, which you are seeing right there. So now this is stochastic oscillator. So this is the parameter for stochastic oscillator. Set everything like this. Set everything up like this. This is the parameters for the stochastic regulator. Now this is the levels for stochastic. This is the levels. You're going to need the 10, 15, 85, and 90 levels. So you can just type it here like this here is going to be for buy, and this here is going to be for sell. Okay, so we set everything up like this and click on done. Now we have set everything up. So now the next thing we are going to be adding, which is going to be also be in our indicator ID one, is the so just click on here right here. Just click here, sorry. Just click here. Click on the add plus. Then you are going to be adding your awesome oscillator. So this is the awesome oscillator right here. Then click on it. This is parameter for awesome oscillator. You just have to set everything up as default. So set everything up like this and click on done. Now you have your stochastic oscillator. So now the last indicator we are going to be adding is the moving average, which is also going to be in indicator window one. So this is the setup for the moving average, parameter for the moving average. The period is 5, sheet 0. The method is going to be simple as well. Now apply to previous indicators data. So that is the where you are going to set your moving average to. Then choose color of your choice. After set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have all your indicator setup. You have your indicator setup. So I'm going to tell you guys the zoom level. So you zoom out completely. Now you zoom out completely. So just zoom in once. Zoom in once. No, this twice. So I'm going to zoom in once. So and yeah, so as you zoom once, then you are good to go. That's the zoom level. So that's the zoom level. Zoom, you are good to go. Now guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can make use of it on Boom, and also teach you guys how you can make use of this strategy on Crash. So before I show you guys how you can make use of this strategy, I want you guys to know that we do something we have for account management. We have an account management. We have our terms and conditions. So once you contact us and we do that our times, if you're okay with our times, then we can do account management for you. So if you want to do account management, just contact the number you are seeing at the screen. Then you can contact us. Then we do account management for you. Also, if you want to join our Telegram channel for free signal, you can join our Telegram channel for free signal. It's totally for free, and you'll be getting much signal from us. So, without being said, let's quickly dive into the settings. Let me show you guys how you can make use of this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe once again, like this video. So now, how you guys are going to make use of this strategy? How you guys are going to make use of this strategy? So the first thing you have to know that you are going to go to your 1 minute time frame. That is the first thing. Now, this is all the confirmation you need to see before taking any entry with this strategy. This is all the confirmation you need to see. Now, the first thing you are going to wait for is you are going to wait for the market to spike. Wait for the market to create spikes. To create spikes like here. So like what you are seeing right here, you can see this is a lot of spike. Now, as the market spike, now the first thing you are going to do is you are going to make sure that the awesome oscillator changes, which means that the awesome oscillator is going to change from green to red, which signals that the market is going for sell. That's the first confirmation you need to see. Now, the second confirmation you need to see is that your moving average as well is going to move to the 90 levels of 85 levels of the RSI, which indicates sell signal, and also the awesome oscillator as well has to reach the 90 to 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator, which indicates for a sell, and the awesome oscillator is going to be changed from green to red. Now, the moving average as well is going to reach the 90 or 85 levels of the stochastic oscillator. That's the confirmation you need to see in your indicator window one. Now, the confirmation you need to see in the in your main chart. The confirmation you need to see in your main chart is that you have to first let the price move below the Ichimoku. Move the Ichimoku. So let me zoom out so you guys can see. You can see that you can see a candle. This is the candle that move below the Ichimoku, And also that's for the Ichimoku confirmation. Wait for a candle to move below the Ichimoku. You can wait for 2 candle or 1 candle to move below the Ichimoku. Now the last confirmation you need to see is that you have to see that you have to let the fractal signal occurs. So when the fractal signal occurs, then you take your trade. Now let's see that the candle have moved. Let's say that all criteria have been met, and we take our trade. Then what are we expecting? We're expecting that the market to move into a direction. We take 5 to 10 candle and then we leave the trade. We take 5 to 10 candle and leave the trade. You are good. Then you wait for another opportunities. So that's how you guys can use your strategy on bond. So sorry. So let me show you guys on how you guys can use your strategy on crash. So we are going to be using crash 500. So sorry, we're going to be using crash 500. So now what are we going to see? So it's just the opposite direction. So the confirmation we need to see is just wait for the oscillator to come to the 10 levels of this stochastic oscillator and also the moving average. Then wait for oscillator to change from red to green. So that's the confirmation you need to see in the indicator window 1. The confirmation you need to see in your main chart is that you have to wait for a fractal to occur in the last spike candle. Wait for a fractal to occur, and then you are waiting for the price to move above the Ichimoku, which you are seeing right here. So let me zoom so you guys can see, which you are seeing right here. You can see this candle that move above the Ichimoku. So that's all the confirmation you need to see before taking any entry. And then you take 5 to 10 candle and you leave the trade. Take 5 to 10 candle, leave the trade. So with that being said, that's everything you need to see. Then you take your trade. I'm very sure with lower loss style you'll be making a lot of profit. You can also use strategy to catch spike pots. I'm just going to show you guys how you can use strategy to scalp alone. So you can do a back test on how you guys can use strategy to scalp. You can back test this, figure out how everything works. Then once you figure that out, then you can be using strategy for scalp as I did also. So now is it that is it, guys. So that is it. Don't forget that we offer something called account management. Contact this number you are seeing on the screen for account management, and go join our Telegram channel. You can join for free signals. So our Telegram channel is for free. The link is going to be in the description below. You can join for free. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.